In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize the Restream Chat, which is a fantastic tool for managing your live stream chat across multiple platforms. This nifty feature can help you stay engaged with your audience on platforms like YouTube and Twitch, all from a single, unified place. For this setup, make sure you have already connected your streaming destinations in your Restream account under Channels. This is necessary to integrate Restream seamlessly with each of the platforms you intend to use. To begin, open the Restream Chat through your dashboard. You can access this by navigating to the chat product, or by using the chat app if you prefer a standalone version. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly while offering impactful features for streamers like yourself. Next, head over to the Settings section for chat. Here, you should see an option labeled Read Incoming Chat Messages. This is an essential feature confirming that Restream collects messages from your connected channels. It's a great way to ensure you won't miss any interactions from your audience, no matter where they're watching from. It's important to keep an eye on this setting to verify that everything is functioning correctly. If you're interested in adding a professional touch to your streams by displaying comments for your audience, check out the Embed in Stream settings. This setup lets you show a unified chat overlay within your stream, capturing comments from every platform you've connected. You also have the option to filter it, displaying messages only from specific platforms like Twitch if you prefer. This can be especially useful if you find that one community is more active and you want to focus on their contributions more visibly. Another optional but exciting feature is the relay mode. This is particularly handy if you want to drive more interconnected interactions across various platforms. Relay mode ensures messages from one platform appear on another, fostering a more cohesive community experience. To enable this feature, go to the Chat section, locate the Bot tab, and simply toggle on Relay mode. It's a small adjustment that can significantly enhance how your viewers interact with each other, creating a more vibrant and unified chat environment. These tools not only help streamline communication with your audience, but also help you manage chats from multiple platforms more efficiently. By using these Restream features, you'll be setting your live stream up for success and engaging with your viewers in a more meaningful way. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this empowers you to make the most out of your streaming experience.